Bambiland was a town just like any other. In this town was the lovely, homely establishment of Luigi's Italian's All You Curry Buffet. A lovely establishment. Everything was normal on the holiday of Veterans Day until a nuclear explosion set the town alight. But from this explosion, something truly unexpected happened. Fridgeman was born with the power of out-of-date spaghetti and subpar Italian food and suspicious green jello no one would quite eat. He was empowered with all the energy a fridge could muster and set on the goal of eradicating the town from evil. Oh, this is gonna stink. I like to buy some meat.
Selling the pirated toys from the Pirate Bay. We have angels of passion. We have flashing lights. We have every single show possible.
Your days are numbered, Toilet King. I'm gonna send you back to where you came from. You're not gonna be able to flush me that easily. Just you wait. I'm gonna stink that fridge of yours out with Stink Attack! Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh god, it stinks! Just you wait. You haven't tried yet, because I'm gonna clog you up with some spaghetti attacks. Go! Oh god. Oh, you think you're a match for me? Oh, just look at this. I'm gonna stink you out for good now. Oh, oh god. Oh, he stinks too much. I'm gonna have to channel all my powers to stop this guy. With the power of fridge nuclear energy, I channel super mode. I'm gonna have to use my jello on this guy now. He's not gonna be able to come back from this one. Get ready for the final blow. Oh wait, what if we just talk this through a bit? I've thought I've turned his corner here. Oh god! Oosh. Oh no, I'm flying off again!
Do not tell us at home.
Ugh.
See ya.